This is the knee extension machine. This really specifically emphasized the muscles of the quadriceps for knee extension. When we come onto this machine, there's a couple points of adjustability. First being the seat. Again, fairly similar to the knee flexion machine. For males, typically want to have a seat at 3 or 4, and then ladies 1 or 2, depending on your height. When my client comes up and into the machine, we can also on this machine disengage at the cam. I'm going to pull the pin. Once this pin is pulled, this movement arm is free floating. I'm going to let my client come into the machine. From there, I'm going to re-pull the pin. I'm going to drop this somewhere above 90 degrees, usually about 100 degrees. I'm going to pull the pad all the way up. Pull the pad all the way up your shins. Once you start pushing on the pad's going to automatically lock in. I'm going to have my client slowly go ahead and extend the knees. Go to the top of the range, hold for a second, slowly dropping back down. We're going to stop before we get to 90 degrees, so about right there in the range, and then slowly push back up. If you want to add a mobility challenge to this exercise, you can slowly pull your toes up towards your shins at the top of the range. You're going to feel a huge stretch in your calves and your hamstrings, so go slow. You can release the mechanism at your feet. Bring it back down, about right there. Go ahead and slowly push back up. Pull the toes toward the shins, hold, and down nice and slow. Once you've completed the exercise, you come all the way down to the bottom. Let the input arm disengage and drop. I'm going to pull the pin, move the input arm out of the way, and then my client can easily come in and out of the machine.